So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MB. So many of you have been asking me how to reset the Apple Watch Ultra. So I'm going to try and do it as fast as possible. So many of you want a quick short video. Basically, you see these two buttons here. So you just press them both at the same time. Make sure you've got enough battery and then you just wait. As you can see, you wait until you see the actual Apple logo. Now, it might take a while to actually go back into the actual Apple Watch mode. So sometimes it takes more than a minute or two. Just stay calm and it will automatically restart itself. So I think it's great, especially if it's starting to bug or if you've got any issues. It's just like any other Apple Watch. Simply, many of you have been questioning whether it's this button or whether it's push button, and it's completely normal, especially if you've just bought it. So this is the way you actually restart it. So another way of doing it is just pressing both at the same time right here in the the vertical side. Other than that, I hope this video helped you out. Now you just have to wait until the actual logo comes off and the Apple Watch works back to normal. As always, if you've got any questions, just let me know here and down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it will really help the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much for watching.